Good morning, children. How are you? Doing fine? Enjoying yourselves? That's very good. But always please remember to wear your face masks whenever you are indoors, except of course when you are at home. So this summer, hopefully, I'll guide you through the reading of a novel which I loved so much as a kid, and I still love, even though I'm a grown-up now. This book is called The Little Prince. It was written in French some 75 years ago or so by a writer who was also a pilot. Yes, he flew planes, and who died young because he crashed at sea. So this book is in 27 chapters, and each time we will read a chapter together, and we will go through the phonics also. Inshallah, you will enjoy it as much as I have enjoyed doing it. First of all, a little bit of introduction. Who's this? Well, this is the author, the writer who wrote The Little Prince. He's called Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. Antoine de Saint-Exupéry was a French writer, poet, journalist, and pioneering aviator. Saint-Exupéry was a successful commercial and military pilot before and during World War II. He disappeared while on a reconnaissance mission from Corsica over the Mediterranean on the 31st of July 1944. The Little Prince, his major literary achievement, has been translated into 300 languages. So it was a worldwide success and still is. I'm sure you'll love it. And that's a picture of the crashed plane at sea, on the bottom of the sea. That's the book cover designed by the author, who is also the narrator in the story, the one who tells the story. What about phonics? I said each time, hopefully, we will go through 3 phonograms. So what is a phonogram? A phonogram is a picture of a sound, from the Greek words that mean sound, phono, and picture, gram. A phonogram can be a single letter, D, C, E, or can be made up of 2, 3, or even 4 letters, as EA, TCH, AUGH. These are 3 phonograms. For example, these letters make sounds together. Now, to understand what a phonogram is, compare RD and WH. The first one, RD, is not a phonogram because when we say RD, as in card, third, we make 2 sounds. Now, compare with WH. WH is a phonogram because when we say it, we make 1 sound, which means our mouth opens once. Phonograms can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even 6 sounds, but together, okay? All the letters together. I'm sure as we read on, you'll be able to understand this. Okay? That's it for now. This was just a short tutorial. You can listen to it again and again with your mummies and daddies. And before I say goodbye, always remember that English should be fun. So have fun with English. Okay? So long, kids. Bye-bye.